Alright guys, I know what you're saying, this is not our normal spread. Well, there's a reason. It's because technically we're on a live and a video, which is going to be kind of weird. But if you are new, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help out the channel. We're on a live right now. These are our knives we have available on Cerakote.com. But our first color for today's project, which I am calling the Crusader blade, is going to be a Firehouse Red. So we're going to get this started.
My brow, heat and grind. Rough hands all day, hard to find. Cars and cycles, guns and knives. Coving steel where the spirit thrives. Layers, fake dark dance of flames. Under lights strong, no one to blame. Craft of fire, my soul full pride. Cerakote roads I will ride. Layers, fake dark dance of flames. Under lights strong, no one to blame. Craft of fire, my soul full pride. Cerakote roads I will ride. Cerakote warrior in the night. Paper sword, let's get it right. Steel and metal covers bright. Rust is the enemy, fight the good fight. The good fight. Daylight fades, my work remains. Precision strokes all through the pains. Hard labor with a silent roar. Every coat a personal war. Metal shines, break of dawn.
So we do have our two stencils that we're going to be applying now. Hopefully they come out really cool, but then we can take a look at the next color. See what we're going to be doing. Our next color is going to be Frost. It's a really cool white, to be honest. It even has, if you look closely, it even has a little sparkle in it. So, really, really neat. Alright. Oh, okay, yeah, your son's a bass fisherman. Yeah, that makes sense. I was hoping somebody was a fisherman. I mean, just, I don't know, maybe you just like the bass, I don't know. There's always drop points, things like that, that don't always make it easy to line things straight, if that makes sense. Alright. Make sure our stencil sticks there. Again, we are just alright, ladies and gents, our next color today is going to be Frost. So it's just a really cool looking white. I'm going to try to do this with all the cameras and lives and stuff. I have Marvin asked, can you get throwing knives and done? Yes, you can actually throwing knives. And the cool thing with throwing knives is, well, with the nature of throwing knives, you actually do the handle as well. So, you can absolutely do throwing knives. And like I said, there is a video on our website of, on our YouTube, I'm sorry, of us doing throwing knives. So, if you're interested, you can find that video on there. They do come out really cool. So, just depends on what you want, what color you want. So our next color is going to be a personal favorite, and that is smoked bronze. So we're going to do that, and then we're also going to utilize airbrushing over there. Old English. So yes, it does have, and will have, a Crusader cross on it. And in Old English, on one side, it states that rebellion to tyrants is obedience to God. Yeah, it's going to come out really pretty. Hopefully. That's the idea anyway. You know, the Cerakote hardener kind of smells like cat pee. I love it. And we're going to use our stencil that we've been wanting to use for a while. See how it turns out. Haven't ever used this pattern in a project, so I'm kind of curious here. That is right, guys. Never used this pattern in a project. So, it is a new pattern. It's actually a pattern I've had for a while. I've just never really had a chance to use it. So, now that I am getting a chance to use it, see how it looks. So not only are you getting a behind the scenes sneak peek of the process, really, you are also getting a never before used pattern that we haven't used on anything yet. Well, that kind of came out good. Make sure I get it all there. So, if you see this pattern, it's kind of meant to like represent a tree. It's looks like a tree bark type pattern. So hopefully this will come out really cool. Like I said, we are going to utilize our airbrush on this. So see how it all pans out here. Time for our burnt browns. you know, I hired a stencil coordinator, but he never shows up. Nice. Gotta love playing with new ideas. Yeah, new ideas is fun. Alright. That is one side. Now time to do the other. There's one side. Next. Alright. There's the next side.
Save your pity for the way.